Day 2 out here on Halong Bay. We are going to explore a cave. And it's always interesting to see in these touristy areas what happens. We have some boats that paddled up to the boat that we're on to offer us goods. And the local staff on the boat call them the 7-Eleven of the sea. You can see them down below here with pretty much all the junk food and snacks and drinks. Alright, so we just got off the boat here and we are going to go explore a cave in one of these islands here at Halong Bay. We're going to climb up to that one up there. So, very cool.
Development, because right here, this is where the stalagmite, they meet the stalactite. So
you really can't get a sense of the scale of this place from a GoPro, but we're in the third chamber here and it's just absolutely massive. Alright, again, just to show the scale of this place, we're only about halfway through. We followed this trail on this side and it goes back, and now we're on our way out up to the cave entrance that's off in the distance there. Very hot and very humid in here. Alright, we just arrived at the very top here of the cave, and you can see Halong Bay. This is where we landed down here. The boat's coming in for the tourism. Actually the city off in the distance in the smog there, in the fog I guess, and where we're going to leave from down there. And currently just visiting a gentleman here outside of Hanoi who makes his own moonshine. So we're visiting his moonshine shop. It used to be illegal here in Vietnam. Now it's completely legal and people make a living selling homemade moonshine. These are all of his vats. And right here is his rice mash. It includes his rice and yeast, rice flour and yeast. And you can see how many he's got going here. And then this is his still. Copper still. He cooks the mash for about 8 hours, 10 hours, and then it comes through his pipe into the cooling tank right here and comes out in jugs. Alright, here we go.
if you can do, you do that. You see what we do.
Ooh, it's strong. Apparently about 40% alcohol, so very strong. Woo. It's got a kick to it for sure. Yeah, so this is the gentleman's home right here. His still and his kitchen are right over here. His garden for his house, and then his house. So pretty nice that we got to come and visit into his little part of the world here. Getting on a plane here in Hanoi, Vietnam Airlines, and we just came through the departure gate like you would normally in an airline. They checked our tickets, and we thought we were going to get on the plane, and instead we're sitting on a bus. All right, here we are. This is our room here in Hoi An. Very nice. But there's an interesting feature to this room. From the beds, you look directly into the toilet.